Hello, my name is Peyton Varney, and I'm an environment texture artist in the game industry. I will be guiding you through this beginner tutorial as we cover my process for creating game-ready foliage assets. We will go over the full pipeline of asset creation, from reference gathering and blockout to sculpting, texturing, and final implementation into Engine, using a variety of software like Maya, ZBrush, Substance Designer, and Unreal Engine along the way. At the end of this tutorial, you will have a strong understanding of how to make game-ready foliage for a scene without sacrificing any quality or visual fidelity.